Today we will learn about ecosystem dynamics. We have to know the definition of an ecosystem. Yes, please, Emily.
Okay, thank you, Mom. Ecosystem and is a regular relationship between living things such as plants, animals, and humans, and their surrounding environment such as water, soil, and oil.
Okay, good. Next,
Is it like ecological system from the reciprocal relationship between living things and their surrounding environment?
Okay, give applause to Emily and Zayatul. Zayatul and Emily cite that the ecosystem is a place of interaction between biotic and abiotic living things. And in an ecosystem, components interconnect and form a dynamic balance. Today, we will discuss 5 subtopics, namely the first biogeochemical cycle, next the flow of energy in ecosystem, next trophic level interaction, biodiversity and ecosystem stability, and last is land biography. We go into the first discussion related to biogeochemistry, namely the movement of chemical elements in the ecosystem, both biotic and abiotic, where three four elements, namely the first carbon, water, next nitrogen, and last phosphorus. Where energy cannot be recycled like matter, and primary production of photons capture energy from the sun. Next, consumer heterotroph is often organisms to obtain energy. Next, gasification and decompression feed on the organic matter. And last, the efficiency of energy transfer between trophic level is low or above, limiting the number of trophic level in a volcanoes. Next, we will discuss trophic level interaction. Does anyone know what the trophic structure are in an ecosystem? Okay, please, Jayatul.
Okay, the first is primary production is like grass or trees, and then primary consumers is like herbivora such as teeth or insects. Then is secondary consumers is like a bird, and the last is tertiary consumers is like top carnivora is like sharks or tigers.
Okay, give applause for Zayatul. Well, in the trophic level interaction, the fish describe the trophic structure in an ecosystem, producer, herbivore, primary, and secondary carnivores, and herbivores. Next, the number of trophic level is limited by energy, by productive ecosystem, and able to support more trophic level. Next, food webs illustrate complex medial relationship. Next, cognitive productivity shows the range of biomass formation by consumers. And last, energy continue to decrease with earth transport due to respiration and expansion. This is about material. It's
Consumer become essence. Will it affect the ecosystem?
okay. Good question from Emily. Yes. So it's true if the group of consumers become extinct, the ecosystem will be disrupted because the fly population can increase gastricity, causing vegetation, demand degradation biodiversity, and change in the structure of the food chain. This can trigger archive extinction, trophic cascade, the speed of disease and imbalance in the ecosystem as I walk.
Okay, thank you, Mom.
Okay, Evelyn. Next, we will discuss biodiversity and ecosystem stability. The first, species diversity provides stability and resilience to environmental disturbance. Next, more diversity communities exhibit higher productivity and health is susceptible to influence by invasive species. Next, productivity and diversity are interrelated, influenced by climate and habitat variation. And last, experiments show that species will change ecosystem efficiency and stability. And your final discussion regarding is land geography. Decrease the number of species in a habitat, especially in island, is influenced by the size of the habitat and its distance from the source of colonization or mainland. Next, larger and coastal islands have more species, and last, the species level reflects the balance between colonization and extinction. Okay, your material has been completed before a course. Is there anyone who wants to ask question related to our material today? Zariatul?
Okay. To what extent can change in the population species impact the biodiversity and stability of the ecosystem of world?
Okay, very good question from Zariatul. So, change in species populations, especially his form or dominant ones, can have a big impact on biodiversity and ecosystem stability. A drastic increase trigger competition while I describe can cause kind extinction and food kinds disruption, which ultimately disrupt the balance and resilience of the ecosystem. How do you, Zaya, understand?
Before we end today's learning, is there anyone who can provide conclusion from the material on ecosystem dynamics?
Yes, please, Emily. Ecosystem continue to change because of the relation between living beings and the environment in which they live. Energy from the sun flows to plants, then to animals, and is finally lost as heat. While important elements such as water and carbon continue to cycle. The number and type of living things are influenced by their positions. Applause for Emily. It is correct, namely that an ecosystem is a dynamic system that involves one energy flow and gasoline of material. So, biogeochemical, flashlight, and biodiversity. Tropic structure and geographical factors such as the size and location of the habitat affect the stability and number of species. Okay, that's all our learning today. See you at the next meeting and don't forget to review today's material at home. Stay healthy and in good spirits. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning.